Okay, welcome back, guys. So now we're gonna be running our application. I'm using a application called um, ApowerMirror. I'll leave a description in. I'll leave the links in the description. But if you guys have a Samsung, you can use an application called SiteSync. I'll also leave it in the description. So for now, this is our code, and as you can see here, I'll also show you how to do the linking. If you guys want a video for that, I'll show you how to link your device to your computer. Right now I'm linking via USB, so we can just hit run here. Can bring up my phone. Watch it build. I got a lot of apps. Okay, no errors. And here we got our application. If we click on the register here, we get taken to the registration page. So that's working. Let's try and register. All fields must be filled, so that method is working as well. So where's my keyboard? Which keyboard should I use? Okay, let me just try to use this keyboard. Nah, let me use my normal keyboard. Alright, cool. So I didn't set any hidden passwords or what. This is just for the to show it's working. There we get successful registered. Let's try login. It means it crashed. So let's find out what's the problem. Let's open login cat. So I think I know what the problem is here with the login. It's because we didn't close our cursor. I'm not sure if we should close it. We should close it, yeah. Cursor dot close. We should close the cursor, and we should close the database. So db dot close as well. Yep. I think that's. Let's just run it again. Okay. Oh, still experiencing the same problem. I wonder what it could be. DB get readable. Compare it to the same. Close the cursor. Close the database. I don't see what's wrong. Close that database. Let's read the logcat. The logcat, what are you saying? The syntax error and password. Oh, okay. So I should have put spaces here, like this. Very important. This was our error. Yeah, everything should be fine. There we go. Everything's working fine. You get error. You go register. Can put username. You can put password. You can register. Register is fine. Then we can put username. You can put password. And we have successfully logged in. So I think that's about it. If you guys have any other questions about anything, or you've run into some problems, just write it in the comments below. And yes, thank you for watching. I will the next video I'll show you guys how to do the handling for the username and the password much better. Okay. Peace.